Hello friends, nice meeting you again through this video. My dear friends, in this video I am talking about Buddhist affirmation. In Buddhism, affirmation is not forcing the mind. It is gently guiding the mind towards truth. When you sit quietly, breathe softly, and bring kindness into our heart, we create the right conditions for peace, happiness, and abundance to grow. Today, let us practice a simple Buddhist affirmation, something like this. May I be peaceful, may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I live with ease. May all good things come to me through my good actions. When you repeat these words with mindfulness, our heart becomes light, our mind becomes clearer, and our life slowly changes. Abundance is not only money, it is good health, good friends, good intentions, and good opportunities. So, let us remember, my dear friends, when our actions are pure, our speech is gentle, and our mind is calm, abundance naturally enters our life, just like a sunlight entering an open window. May peace, happiness, prosperity, and compassion fill your life. May all beings be happy. Thank you, my dear friends, everyone. Thank you all.